Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you, children? Hope you all are doing well. Okay, let's move to today's session. We are discussing the first chapter of your grammar text, sentences. So you have already studied what is sentences. Still, let's recollect what a sentence is or what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which convey complete meaning, or it is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, if I say a great lover of Mother Teresa, mankind was a, did you get any meaning out of it, or does it make any sense? I know you didn't get any meaning out of it and it doesn't make any sense. It is just a group of words. So just a group of words will not make a sentence. Only if that group of words can convey a complete meaning will be a sentence. How can you make that particular group of words to form a meaningful sentence? You can say Mother Teresa is a great lover of mankind. How can you frame it into a beautiful sentence? Mother Teresa is a great lover of mankind. Or Mother Teresa was a great lover of mankind. So that's how you make it into a meaningful sentence. Now today we will discuss the subject and predicate of a sentence. Now what is this subject? Every complete sentence will have two parts. A complete sentence will have how many parts? Two parts. It will have a subject and a predicate. That is the two parts of a sentence, subject and predicate. Now what is this subject? What is a subject? A subject is or that names person or thing what we are speaking about. So subject is that part of the sentence which names person or thing we are speaking about. Now, what is a predicate? Predicate is that part of the sentence which tells us about the subject. What the subject is doing or what the subject is. So, a subject can be a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase. Noun phrase means it can be a group of words with a noun. So subject can be a noun phrase, it can be a noun or it can be a pronoun. Whereas this predicate will have a verb. Predicate will contain a verb. You know what is a verb? Verbs are action words. And what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. And what is a pronoun? Pronouns are the words that are used instead of nouns. These are all the parts of speech that you have studied in your previous class. Means last year. Still, we will refresh it. So let me give you an example. So if I give you an example, you will get to know what is subject and predicate is. For example, gold is a precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. What is the sentence about? The sentence is talking about a metal called gold. So the sentence is about gold. So which is the subject here? Subject is gold. And what we can say about gold? Gold is a precious metal. Is a precious metal is the predicate of that sentence. From the verb onwards, the predicate starts. The predicate starts from the verb. That is the easiest way to identify a predicate in a sentence. In a basic simple sentence, predicate starts from the verb to the end of the sentence. That's how you can easily identify a predicate in a sentence. It is usually like that, but it needn't be the same in all the cases, in all the types of sentences. Subject is that part of the sentence which names a person, place or thing we are speaking about. and predicate is that part of the sentence that tells us about the subject. I'll give you some more examples. For example, Patrick scored A grade in all the subjects. So what is the sentence about? This sentence is about Patrick. So Patrick is the subject. Only Patrick is the subject. Now, which is the predicate in this sentence? Scored A grade in all the subjects. Scored is the verb. So from scored onwards, the predicate starts. The predicate starts from the scored onwards till the end of the sentence. All the subjects. Till the subjects, it is the predicate of the sentence. I hope you understood what is a subject and a predicate and how we can identify subject and predicate in a sentence. Do you need some more examples? Okay, let's try to do the exercises given in our text. All of you take your textbook, grammar textbook. Take page number 7 in your grammar textbook, exercise E. You have to circle the subjects and underline the predicates in these sentences. Look at the first one, first sentence. My grandmother is an orthopedic surgeon. So, what is the sentence about? The sentence is about my grandmother. So, my grandmother is the subject. Now, which is the predicate in the sentence? Is an orthopedic surgeon is the predicate in that sentence. Is a helping verb. I told you predicate starts from the verb. So, is the helping verb and here it acts as the main verb itself. So, from is onwards starts the predicate. So, my grandmother is the subject. Is an orthopedic surgeon is the predicate of the sentence. Now, let's try to do the second sentence. Vrinda and Rajini are sitting next to each other. So, Vrinda and Rajini is the subject. The sentence is about Vrinda and Rajini. So, Vrinda and Rajini is a subject. Now, where does the predicate start? The predicate starts from are sitting next to each other. Till other, you have to mark it as predicate. Look at the third one. Akash will meet his friends tomorrow. So, which is the subject in this sentence? The sentence talks about Akash. So, Akash is the subject. Now, from where does the predicate starts? The predicate starts from will. Will meet his friends tomorrow. So, is, are, will, can, all these are helping verbs. So, from helping verbs starts our predicate. If there are helping verbs, the predicate starts from helping verbs, or if there are no helping verbs, the predicate starts from the main verb. So, try to do the rest of the exercise in this lesson. Exercise F, exercise D and exercise H. Let's try to do exercise G now. Write suitable predicates to complete these sentences. They have given the subjects. They have given the subject. Now you have to write your own predicate. You can write according to your wish, but it should be the correct predicate. For example, take the first sentence, the laptop. You can frame any beautiful sentence starting with the laptop. So you can say the laptop is the subject. Then how will you complete that sentence with a beautiful predicate? You can say the laptop is kept on the table. So is kept on the table is the predicate in that sentence. Now try to do the next one, second one. These plants. These plants is the subject. Look beautiful. These plants look beautiful. So look beautiful is the predicate. Look is the verb. So predicate starts from the verb. We told that predicate contains a verb. So similarly, try to do the rest of the sentences by yourself. Try to do the exercise H also. You can add any words according to your choice. So I hope you understood what a subject and predicate is and how to identify a subject and predicate in a sentence. So try to do the exercises also in this part. We'll discuss the answers in the next class. That's all for today. Let's wind up the session. See you in the next class.